So in this video, let us see how to add watermarks in MS Word Office file. Page layout, watermark option. Then we can see some preset options are there, and here custom watermark option is there. Click on this. Now you can see no watermark option, picture watermark option, text watermark. If you select this and upload a particular picture from your PC, the picture will act as watermark. If you select this and you write text over here, that text will appear as watermark. Now let's see how to insert picture. Select this and upload the image from the PC. So I have selected one image and uploaded. I will click apply. We can see that particular image is applied on that image, on the document. So I will use another image, PNG image I will use, which is not having any background. Now I have uploaded a PNG image which is having no background, transparent background. So I will apply it. Now we can see that watermark is applied over here. Scale option is there, automatic scaling. See, I have increased the scale to 200% so that watermark is gone beyond that. 50% apply. Now you can see that 50% of the page it is applying. So like that you can use your own personal percentage. Washout option. See, washout option. With this option it appears different. So it gives a washed out appearance. It merges with that image, and when you click this, it applies the image as it is. So I will recommend washout option and apply. So that gets adjusted with the background. This is how you can insert images. That means the watermark images inside the MS Word documents. Thank you.